Our BM mmWave solution consists of various mmWave radar sensor evaluation kits, EVM kits, suitable for healthcare and long-term care environments for patients or seniors' occupancy and room behavior monitoring without having extra annoying wearable sensors with battery concerns and without privacy invasion concerns when compared with IP camera-based solution, while alleviating healthcare staff's workload, especially for the night shift staff, with mmWave sensors integrated into Healthcare IoT or AIoT system. To address this healthcare market, our mmWave evaluation kits can be applied to provide wireless mmWave radar sensing for vital signs detection, vital energy detection, people fall detection, people zone occupancy detection, posture analysis for rehabilitation, and entrance gate detection. Our mmWave technology is based on 60 GHz to 64 GHz radar that transmits FMCW, frequency modulated continuous wave, electromagnetic wave signals that moving objects in their path would reflect to determine the range, velocity, and angle of the objects for sensing detection, and that the sensing objects could be as big as a moving truck or as small as humans' heartbeat and breathing chest movement. Now, we are taking one step further to apply mmWave technology into the healthcare market as a seamless progression for mmWave application, and where our sound mmWave technology foundation propels us into the healthcare sensing solution fittingly.